Welcome back. Glad you are here. The recent developments in the field of artificial intelligence have been nothing short of astounding. One would have thought that the frenetic pace of last week's announcements would have subsided, yet this week has proven to be equally eventful. There were notable announcements with GPT-4 being deployed and Google proclaiming its intention to incorporate AI into all of their workspace tools. Last week witnessed the release of Midjourney version 5 and Microsoft 365 Copilot, culminating in the launch of Stable Diffusion's reimagined product. Stable Diffusion's Reimagine allows you to generate multiple variations of a single image without limits. DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney. These tools all use generative AI to create images based on any text description you can dream up. They're astounding, but the stuff they churn out can be more fascinatingly weird than wonderful. They're also provoking ire, and in the case of Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, legal pushback, from artists who don't like the idea of AI taking their jobs, being trained on their work, and even mimicking their style. But more on AI image generation and copyright concerns later. This week was a momentous one for the technology community, as Nvidia held its annual conference to discuss the company's most significant advancements and breakthroughs. This year's event was focused on the theme of artificial intelligence, which is at the forefront of the company's recent innovations. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, has likened the current moment to the iPhone's introduction, underscoring the transformative potential of AI. During his keynote address, Huang presented Nvidia's latest groundbreaking developments in AI. Among the highlights was the unveiling of Nvidia Foundations, a new product suite that empowers individuals with formidable computing power via the cloud. With the advent of Nvidia Foundations, one no longer requires a sophisticated, powerful system to generate AI-driven outputs or to run large language models. This is a significant leap forward for the democratization of AI, as these cloud services open up previously inaccessible opportunities for all. This week, a number of substantial and unprecedented announcements have been made. Among these, the announcement by Runway Research concerning their Gen 2 offering is particularly noteworthy. It is worth noting that Gen 2 constitutes a multimodal AI system capable of generating videos with text, images, or video clips. Moreover, it promises to offer complete text-to-video integration, thereby enabling video synthesis in any style. This technology represents a significant breakthrough in the field of AI and provides users with unparalleled opportunities to create diverse and imaginative videos with a mere text prompt. The introduction of Gen 2 constitutes a significant step forward in the field of AI, enabling its utilization by anyone due to its user-friendly nature. Not to be left out, at its Adobe Summit conference in Las Vegas, the company revealed Firefly, its first major piece of functionality based on generative AI. Debuting as a beta web-based service, it will also be integrated into Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Express, and eventually appear in all relevant Adobe products. Adobe Firefly represents a significant step forward in image generation technology, as it is entirely trained on a combination of licensed and open-source images. As a result, users can rest assured that any images generated via Adobe Firefly will not pose any future copyright concerns. One particularly intriguing aspect of Firefly is Adobe's intention to reward artists who permit the use of their images within the platform's models. This is a commendable move, as it recognizes the value of artistic contributions to the technology, while also promoting a culture of collaboration and support in the creative community. It is important to note that during the beta testing phase, the software is limited to non-commercial use only. It is worth noting, however, that these terms are subject to change, and future versions may permit commercial use. For the time being, users are advised to restrict their usage of the software to non-commercial purposes only. This week, under pressure from its competitors, Google launched Bard, its response to ChatGPT. In its latest update, Google has introduced a sidekick to its search engine, aiming to revolutionize the way we seek information, and it is calling on users to contribute to its development. Unlike Bing Chat, Bard does not rely on search results. Instead, it generates all the information returned to users. The software is designed to assist users in brainstorming and answering queries. Google envisions Bard becoming an integral component of the Google search experience. This launch is crucial for Google as it faces fierce competition from Microsoft, which has partnered with OpenAI in a bid to claim Google's top spot in search. When Google first attempted to respond, it made a significant error that led to a $100 billion loss in its value overnight. The Bard teaser clip released by Google in February featured the chatbot making a factual error, and as a result, the stakes are high for Google's new offering. The rate of progress in artificial intelligence is nothing short of astonishing. Last week we saw significant developments, and this week was just as exciting, if not more so. Google unveiled Bard, Adobe announced Firefly, Nvidia hosted its annual conference, and Microsoft made further AI-related announcements. Each day brings new advancements and announcements, making for an increasingly frenzied environment. Technologies that were once thought to be years away are now materializing right before our eyes. Every day brings new and incredible discoveries that leave one in awe. I'm sure there were more announcements that I have missed in this video. If so, I will try to cover them in the next video. As we venture into the next week, I'm excited to move beyond the frequent updates on artificial intelligence and delve into a more in-depth examination of tools. I will be exploring generative AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, Stable Diffusion, and Adobe Firefly in greater detail. Naturally, if any other tools pop up during the week, they will be added to the list. Following that, I will be delving into the world of visual communication and how AI is impacting this space. I will be taking a look at tools such as Canva, Adobe Express, and Microsoft Designer. These tools, while designed for ease of use and quick turnaround, have sparked a revolution in the marketing industry, where speed and social media delivery reign supreme. You might be surprised as to what these tools can do. I am eager to see how these tools will evolve and what new possibilities they will unlock in the future. Exciting times are ahead. That's all for now. I look forward to bringing you more news and insights in the future. Keep watching this space.